Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system and tap on developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. From now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting and from time to time. So of course you can also turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.